All right, so the purpose of this video is to show you my Ceccoli Oracle deck because I'm very excited about it. I got this for my birthday, by the way, and I got this for my sister, and I also got this Labyrinth Tarot deck from my partner, which I already opened and went through, but um, I wanted to show you this one in particular because I have the tarot deck from this one because I absolutely love it. And my sister had bought it off of my Amazon wish list that I absolutely forgot that I have because I do not use Amazon and I haven't for so many years. And so she bought me this. And Nicoletta Ceccoli is an artist in Italy, and her artwork is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to just open that up. I already went ahead and opened it, and it has this ribbon here, which is amazing. None of my other ones have it. I love to keep my stuff in boxes, and for those who own these decks, you know how annoying it is to take them out. You just have to dump them and stuff. But anyways, it has this ribbon that you can like pull things out. Let me just put this down for a second. You can pull it out, and I'm going to pull that out. Sorry. Anyways, so here's the book, and the book comes in multiple languages, which is great because my other one, my Day of the Dead tarot deck, also comes in different languages. And this is great because it's Italian. Like, how cool is this? And it has Italian and Spanish and French and like some other languages and stuff. And it's so cool. Like, look at that. Hai la vaga sensazione che qualcosa non vada tanto bene. Sorry, I love it. Anyways, this is the deck. I already went ahead and peeled this because I want to show you what they look like, her artwork. I have the tarot deck, like I said, and I don't use it for other people's readings because I don't want to ruin the cards because they're just so beautiful. And I love the artwork. And it's the one deck that I never use. But I just want to give you a taste of what her artwork is. Oh my God, I just cannot. Like, she's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Like, look at this. Oh, this is so right up my alley. Like, look how cute this is. I cannot. It's just so cute. Like, beautiful artwork. She's an absolutely exceptional artist. So if you're interested, like, my sister got these off of Amazon, and they're the Ceccoli Oracle, and she has the tarot deck as well. And her name is Nicoletta Ceccoli. Well worth it. Like, look at this perfection right here. I cannot. So I used to do tarot readings and oracle readings on my channel before, but I haven't anymore for like a long time. But maybe I'll do one once in a while if anyone's interested in that. If you're interested in that, let me know. Look at this. Look how much like whimsy and like this kind of gothic like feel to it too. I'm like obsessed. Like, I just want one of her prints. Like, that's what I want, is one of her prints for my wall. Like, it's perfect. So good. Anyways, that's all. So let me know in the comments if you would be interested in a reading, for me to do readings on my channel. I just feel like it's so saturated right now with readings that I don't know if people. I do tarot readings, and you know, I have clients. I book readings one-on-one with people, and I do events and things like that. But I don't do videos of them online. It's part of like my practice where I do them. But look at this. I love this. It's so good. But if you're interested in some readings, let me know in the comments. I don't mind doing them online if people are receptive to it. Okay? Anyways, take care.